Okay, today's my English chat. Today is July 13th, 2020, and today's my practice is activity is as follow. For English, I read article and watch video about English and study English terms. And what I did for studying abroad is today I went to the city hall and proceeded with I drove a lot of procedures about documents and about UI UX. I studied design principles and I study user research. And about programming, I study algorithm through lead code and study React. And today I want to talk about cicada. Cicada is an insect. In Japan, you can see a lot of cicadas, especially in summer, from the beginning or from the middle of July, after the rainy season, and there are tons of cicadas, and you can hear a lot of cicadas singing. You mean ringing, and a lot of the people thinks they're annoying or loudly, unless but you will soon get used to if you live in Japan for a long time. And some rings very beautiful. Some rings are things just annoying. It's very interesting insect. And that's all. Thank you for watching.